Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put into s to the power of 3 and s to the power of 3. This one we put s squared plus s squared. So we can do about factorization by s to the power of 3. This one and this one we combine in here. So we can do about factorization by s. This one and this one go in here. This one we can do another factorization by s squared. So this one divided by this one, so this one cancel with this one. S to the power of 3 divided by s squared, we have s. This one divided by this one, s divided by s squared, so we have 1 over s. This one divided by this one, so we have 1 over s squared. S squared divided by s squared, so we have 1 over s squared plus 1. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The next one, Ln of the absolute value of s. The next one, negative 1 over s. And the last one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.